Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. My name is Renu Prasad. In this video, I will walk you step by step through the online investment process in a capital gains exemption bonds from a company called REC, which is Rural Electrification Corporation Limited. Whether you're new to investing or looking to expand a portfolio, this tutorial will provide you the insights that you need to take care of when investing in this company's bonds. Let's take a look. Open this website using the URL on the screen, and I'll also share it in the description of the video. Once you come to the screen, there are many links on this page which will give information about the bonds, and make sure it's on a secure website. So click on the lock icon and make sure the website is secure, and also check if the certificate for the website is still valid. So this will show you that you're not on a fake website. Once you confirm all these things, the next step would be to understand more about the bonds. So let's take a look at the issue highlights of the bonds. Once you open this document, you can understand more about these bonds. If you see the type of investors that could be eligible for investing in these, it's a 5 years bond. It can be redeemed after 5 years. And also the important pieces are individuals and NRIs can invest in this. The ratings are pretty high. And each bond is about 10,000 rupees, and the maximum you can invest in these bonds is 5 lakh rupees or 500,000 rupees. So you cannot invest more than that. That's the maximum. So depending on your the capital gains, the maximum you can get benefit from this is 5 lakhs. The rate of interest is 5.25%, and it's paid annually to and deposited in your bank account once a year. Next, you can look at other documents which are important for you, like who's the contact and everything, in case you need to reach out to them later. So there are so many other links which would be useful to keep a copy of and store it in your local computer or hard drive, so that you can go back to that and look at any information you need. So this page has all the information you need. Now I'm going to show you how to go about investing in them using online. So one way is you can download an application form. It will be a blank form, and each application has a number. Once you download a form, it will be having a number to it. So please make sure the number matches what you're going to do, even if you do it online or offline. And if you don't want, I mean, the ideal way to do this is don't download the blank form. Actually, fill the form online. That's the best way, because instead of handwriting the information, you are actually filling it up in the online form, and then you'll be able to do a better job with that. So important things to note before you start your application is individual resident Indian nationals should have all these documents in PDF format. Either they should be attested by you individually saying true copy, and make sure you have all these documents in PDF format. If you are an NRI, you're expected to have your passport also, a copy of that. It's absolutely mandatory. So if you don't have a valid passport, don't start the application till you have all these documents needed to be able to purchase these bonds. Unless you have this, your process will not complete, and it will take a very long time. Once you're ready, so click on fill a form online. So once you click on that, it'll open up the instructions sheet which I just showed you. Scroll down and through the form which we just looked at, click agree. Once you click agree, it will take you to the actual form. If you see, the investing category is it could be any type, individual or non-resident Indian. So any type of individuals can apply for this, as I talked about it. And if you see there's no broker involved, you're actually applying it directly. And then the ideal way to have this bond sent to you is through your broker. If you have a broker account, like a stockbroker, you have to make sure that the DPID is perfect. And if you see the number of bonds you can buy, let's test it out. I'm going to say 2. So as I said, it's 10,000 rupees per bond. If let's say I'm going to say 860. So it doesn't do it as 86 lakhs, but what it does is only maximum of 50 lakhs. So next is make sure the name is correct, the PAN number is correct. You make sure all these details are filled correctly, because any mistakes in these will cause delays in getting these bonds allotted to you, and also select the occupation and stuff like that. So date of birth is very important. It has to match the PAN number, and also then make sure the address is correct. You enter the address, and also as I told you, the interest will be paid once a year. This is information where you need to put in all the bank details so that once you fill it correctly, it'll go the deposits of interest gets in the right place. So this is the way you fill the form. Once you fill the form and hit submit, it'll take you to a screen where now you can say, once you're ready and you download the form and also you sign it, you start uploading the form as well as the documents required. So once you're ready, so you need to know the application number from the form you downloaded, and the email address which was associated when you created the form, and also the mobile number which you had entered in that. So once you click on that, uh, once you enter all these details and click on get OTP, it'll send you an OTP, and then you enter that OTP and say validate, and it'll open the form which you had previously entered. So now you start filling uploading the documents required. So you'll have to upload the application form itself, which you just signed, then the PAN copy, address copy, which is potentially your proof of address would be a good Aadhaar card copy, a cancelled check of your bank, the local bank. You can only use an NRO, or if you're an NRI account, NRI, you cannot use an NRE account. So others, make sure you do all this. So if you don't want to do an online payment, you're ready to submit this and then you can mail a check. But if you want to do online payment, go to the place where you say online payment. It takes you to a list of banks available that accepts online payment. So you can check the bank which is for you. So you make sure the bank related to this online payment is available in the list. Otherwise, you have to do a mailing of the check. Once you click on the bank you need, it'll open up on login screen to your bank net banking. You log in with the ID and password, and then enter your details. So once you do that, the payment will be made automatically. It'll be taken from your bank, and you'll also get an email and text message that the payment has been made. Then now you can also check the status of application by entering all the details here. Hope this information helps you, and enjoy investing in these bonds. Thank you.